You walk up to the dental reception desk after a standard procedure, and the receptionist hands you a massive $1,500 bill. You have insurance, so the total on that paper feels like a mistake. That shock usually comes from a single misunderstanding. People expect their dental coverage to behave exactly like their medical coverage. In a side-by-side comparison, medical insurance acts as a catastrophic shield. The insurer covers massive illness costs, capping what you pay out of pocket. Conversely, dental insurance is a prepaid maintenance plan with a strict benefit cap. It caps what the insurance company pays, not you. Treating these two models as the exact same thing leads to either bleeding money on monthly premiums you never use, or being blindsided by thousands of dollars in unexpected bills when a tooth actually breaks. Financing dental care generally comes down to three distinct paths: traditional insurance, discount plans, and Medicare. Choosing a plan requires you to ignore general rankings and match your current oral health to the specific financial vehicle that handles your likely costs. Path 1 is traditional insurance, like a standard PPO or HMO. You pay a monthly premium, and in return, the plan usually covers 100% of your preventive care, like routine cleanings and exams. If you have generally healthy teeth and you stay in your network, this model functions perfectly. Your premiums subsidize your low-cost maintenance, but the math breaks down if you need serious work. This bar chart shows an insurance bucket with an annual maximum payout of, say, $1,500. After one major procedure, that bucket fills up completely, ending the insurer's responsibility. If you need a second procedure, you see it stacking entirely above the annual maximum line in red. Every dollar above that limit comes directly out of your pocket. Traditional plans often include a provision known as an alternate benefit, or the least expensive alternate treatment. This clause allows the insurance company to base their payout on the cheapest effective treatment available. If your dentist recommends a high-quality implant, the insurer might only pay the rate for a removable partial denture, leaving you to cover the difference. Traditional insurance is designed to subsidize routine maintenance, not to rescue you from the high costs of major dental reconstruction. If you are looking at a treatment plan with multiple crowns, bridges, or extractions, you need an alternative strategy. That brings us to Path 2, dental discount plans. These are not insurance policies. Instead, you pay a flat annual membership fee, usually around $150, to access a specific network of participating dentists. This quadrant chart compares the two models based on monthly costs versus coverage for major work. Paying a membership fee for a set price list rather than a claims policy changes the math. Isolating the discount plan quadrant shows a line trending upward. Since there are no annual maximums, you can use the discount for unlimited procedures from day one. Unlike insurance, a discount plan pays nothing to the dentist on your behalf. You are entirely responsible for paying the bill. If a procedure costs $800 after the discount, you hand over $800 at the front desk before the work gets done. Discount plans shift the immediate payment burden to you, but they remove the caps and waiting periods that often block high-need patients from receiving immediate care. Path 3 applies to anyone approaching age 65, entering retirement under the assumption that their new Original Medicare coverage will handle their teeth. Original Medicare does not cover routine cleanings, fillings, extractions, or dentures. There is only one exception to this rule, and it is highly restricted. Medicare only pays for dental work if it is inextricably linked to the clinical success of a severe, covered medical procedure. This checklist shows how narrow those conditions are. You are covered if you need an oral infection cleared prior to an organ transplant, a cardiac valve replacement, or jaw reconstruction during tumor removal. Even then, securing coverage requires your medical doctor and dentist to document direct coordination to prove it is medically vital. Without meeting those specific criteria, your dental care is entirely your financial responsibility. Seniors need to actively secure alternative supplemental coverage when they enter retirement. Assuming Medicare covers dental is a financial risk. Wait until your teeth hurt and you will pay completely out of pocket. Your decision comes down to your current dental status. This flowchart maps three primary paths: maintenance, major overhaul, and senior. The maintenance profile is for people with healthy teeth, using an employer-sponsored plan. Your best fit is a traditional PPO or HMO. Your goal is strict utilization. Go to the dentist twice a year and use the fully covered cleanings to catch small issues before they become expensive. When you do have a filling, Review your explanation of benefits, the EOB statement. Keep an eye on how much of your annual maximum you have used and check that you are only paying the network's allowed amount. Following the second path on the chart, we have the major overhaul profile. If you need immediate, extensive restorative work, a traditional plan will hit its cap almost instantly. You should evaluate dental discount plans. You bypass the 6 to 12-month waiting periods in traditional insurance and lock in percentage savings on immediate procedures. The third path is the senior profile, which includes anyone relying on original Medicare. You should purchase a supplemental dental insurance policy, enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan that includes dental, or join a discount network. Do this while your teeth are healthy. Do not wait for a medical emergency, hoping Medicare's narrow exception rules will cover a standard extraction or a set of dentures. Whether leveraging capped insurance for routine cleanings or using a discount network to rebuild your smile, understanding the financial mechanics of dental care is the only way to protect both your oral health and your wallet.